Hello everybody, I'm Sojin. I'm a Gear 1 student come from UDHN BBC. My matrix number is AP210378. Today I will bring you to learn how to draw a cabinet using the AutoCAD. Okay, this is my first video that I want to explain what I learned in my first week while using the AutoCAD. So here we are. We need to open a new page in AutoCAD. So like this, and we need to draw a rectangle. Oh, sorry. Before this, I need to we need to change the unit. So we type the units. So dia kurang macam tu. So kita choose architecture. This precision we choose this, and units to sketch we choose inches. So okay. Draw a rectangle like this. Okay. And draw a rectangle again kat atas dia. Just simple je. Sini sikit tak apa. You can adjust yourself right. Like this lah. And draw 3 lines. Like this. Okay. And click the right button. Click cancel. So you need to draw 2 lines again. So here to here, and sampai sini. Click cancel again, and draw one line again. Mula sini sampai sini. Click cancel again. Okay. So kita kena draw a line kat tengah dia macam ini. Okay. Click cancel again. So we need to draw 2 circles in here and here. So we choose the 2 place circle like this. 5 inches. Okay. See that? 5 inches, right? So click and draw one more again. 5 inches. Right, okay. We adjust sikit sini punya circle. How to do? We choose click here, move. So click, move. Okay. Like this lah. Simple je. So we need to prove that this cabinet belongs to me. So how to do? We click here, test, single line, and sini sampai sini, and sini sampai sini. Dah. dia akan keluar macam ni. So just type what's your name. Okay, click right mouse button again, so click cancel. Okay, some mistake. Click this again, single line. Okay, we adjust it. Okay, that's all is my video. If you like my video, please click like and follow my channel. Thank you.